My name is Shazmine Billingsley, and I have a question for you. Have you ever felt like you were in a dark, dark room with no way of escaping? I have. But what if I told you that if you change the way you look at things, the things that you look at change? I remember walking to my school one day and feeling like I had the weight of the world on my shoulders. And I remember looking up at the sky and seeing the darkest clouds that I have ever seen. And I remember feeling the raindrops on my face and feeling a sense of relief because no one could see me crying. I made it to school, and I sat in the very back of the classroom, and in that room, I fought the biggest battle I ever fought in my entire life. The battle with myself. One side was telling me that I was not worthy of living, that I was ugly, dirty, and that I was not supposed to be here. And for the first time in my entire life, that other voice fought back. And it said to me that I am worthy, that I am supposed to be here, and that I deserve love and happiness. And this tug of war went on for a few minutes, and eventually a winner was declared. Love had won. And in that moment, it was like the doors of that dark, dark room unlocked, and the door flew open and flooded an overwhelming feeling of love and possibilities. And I saw myself living the life that I deserve to live. And as I walked out of school that day, I remember looking at that same dark sky. But instead this time, I saw the biggest rainbow that I've ever seen in my entire life. And in that moment, I felt reassured that I was supposed to be here and that I had a purpose. So I ask you, if you changed the way that you looked at things, what could change? To learn more, visit my website, www.peacefulmindset.org. Thank you.